So the first thing that you need to do to take part in the DevOps Days Chicago virtual participant experience is you're going to need an account on Discord. If you already have a Discord account, you can skip this step. So just hang on and bear with us, and we'll get to the part about how you join our Discord server in just a minute. The first thing that you need to do when you register, and you can do this at discord.com/register, is fill out, all the usual fun stuff. So we go ahead and do this, and one of the things that's going to happen is it takes you in and logs you in. We can go ahead and close this for a second. You're going to need to verify your email address, or you won't be able to have any access to our servers. Once you have your email verified, you need to join our Discord server. The actual invite code that you're going to need, you will have received in your email, or if you log into Eventbrite and check out the online event details, you'll find it there. The code that you're going to see me using here is not our real code. You need to register in order to get the code. That's cool. And we're going to say we want to join a server. Put in our invite code, and it brings us in. Now, what we need to do before we can see everything else in the DevOps Days Chicago Discord server is we have to accept the code of conduct. So we can see here the quick version of our code of conduct. There is a link that will take us to the long one. And in order to agree to the code of conduct, you just simply have to click on this thumbs up button here, which will grant you access to the DevOps Days Discord server. So we'll go ahead and click that. And now you can see we suddenly have access to all of our wonderful channels. A couple important things to know. So any text channel has the little hashtag in front of it. So you can always refer back to our code of conduct in the code of conduct channel. If you need direct help from an organizer, especially for something related to code of conduct, you simply go to the event help channel and you can post a message in here, and you can tag organizers and say, hey, I need some help. And what'll happen is that will notify the organizers, and one of them will reach out to you via a private message to help you out some more. But throughout the day, we're going to have all these great breakout sessions. If you want to propose one, you do that in the breakout proposal channel. So if you go in there, you can see an example as someone said, I want to talk about using AWS for my personal blog. I might have a different idea. Now, if you see a topic you'd like to talk about, you can always just react to it with a little thumbs up kind of thing. This will help us figure out that there's more people who are interested in it. In the breakouts channel, you will see all of the breakouts that are currently live for any existing breakout slot. So I can always pop in here, for example, the DevOps for EX breakout, if I want to talk to people in there. But what's also really interesting is you'll see there are some breakout channels that have this icon. And these are voice and video channels where they're a little more interactive. Now, those are limited to no more than 25 people at a time, and each of these channels will have a moderator in them. But when I want to join them, I just go ahead and click on that. And then I'll go and connect. I might have to give it permission to my microphone. And when I actually click on that channel and I take a look, we'll take a look and we'll see if I connect my video. And then I show up and it looks all fancy. Hello. And you'll see other people in here, and this is where we can go ahead and have our conversation during that breakout. When we're done, we can just disconnect. It'll take us away. Similarly, you'll see we have channels for all of our sponsors, and our gold sponsors even have video channels where they might be providing demos and other more interactive things. We really recommend that you visit all of our sponsors. We can't have the event without them. And then also, you'll see that for every talk throughout the day, there's a dedicated text channel. If you have any questions for the speaker, please post them in their channel. You'll see that any organizers will always show up in the organizer list, and they will be in blue. These are people who can help you in all kinds of different ways. If you have any kind of problems, you need to report an issue with code of conduct, we still recommend that you tag @organizers, because a certain organizer might not be available right then. And then likewise, our great moderators will all show up in purple. And these moderators will be joining in the video breakout sessions just to help keep the conversation going along and trying to make sure that we don't have any kind of problems or challenges. And they're definitely here to help. DevOps Days Chicago is a participant conference, and we want everybody, whether they're a moderator, a speaker, a sponsor, or just connecting and wanting to talk to each other, we're all going to be interacting together throughout the day.